In this training, we will go over how to modify the values that will be printed on the 1099 form and how to print the 1099 forms in Vision. Vision currently only prints the 1099 miscellaneous and 1099 NEC forms. Other 1099 forms such as the 1099 dividend or the 1099 INT forms must be created outside of Vision. Please note that Vision prints to the 1099 forms but will not print the form itself. If you need to edit a 1099 for one of your vendors, you can manually edit the 1099 by going into Accounting, Accounts Payable, and Form 1099 processing screen. Click on the Edit button next to the Generate Work File button. Scroll through the 1099s to find the vendor you need to edit. Make the necessary changes on this screen. Any changes here will not update the values for this vendor anywhere else in Vision. Please remember, if you regenerate a new 1099 work file, any changes made here will be lost. No values will populate the form 1099 miscellaneous automatically. Values only populate box 1 of the 1099 NEC. If you are printing a 1099 NEC for your vendor, check the box in a corresponding 1099 miscellaneous form for Exclude this vendor from 1099 miscellaneous reporting. If printing a 1099 miscellaneous form is required for your vendor, remove the amount from the 1099 NEC and copy that value to the proper field in the Edit screen of the 1099 miscellaneous form. On the 1099 NEC form for that vendor, check the box for Exclude this vendor from 1099 NEC reporting. Check the box for the 1099 to be excluded from either the 1099 miscellaneous printing or the 1099 NEC printing so that you do not waste printing a form that is not needed. To print to the 1099 forms, select either Print 1099 Miscellaneous or Print 1099 NEC from the Print menu. It is recommended to print one 1099 to a blank piece of paper prior to printing on the actual 1099 form. Then hold that paper up to the 1099 form to see if the values are lining up with the fields. You will need to do 2 separate printing runs for the 1099 miscellaneous forms and the 1099 NEC forms. If the values are not aligning on the fields of the 1099 form, you can click on the Print menu and select Advanced Printing. Select Use Custom Layout and modify the margins as necessary. Print to a blank piece of paper and hold that paper up to a 1099 form until the values line up with the correct fields on the 1099 form. Once they do, fill your printer with the 1099 forms and from the Print menu, select Print 1099 Miscellaneous or Print 1099 NEC. Thank you for attending. For more information, please review the year-end resources within the Deltek Support Center.